Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create the guide system inside of InDesign. Okay, now this is going to be actually very simple. As you can see here, we have a document. This is a blank document. And now you want to go to your layout in the top menu and you want to select basically create guides in here. Okay, now you have to select the number of rows that you want to have inside of your guide system and the number of columns. And also you need to select the gather, okay, which is gonna basically be like the separation between the mini rows and the mini columns. Okay, so let's select, for example, 10, and let's give the gather to a default of 5 millimeters. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 rows, and we have also the same number of columns. Okay, we can press Control Z to remove this and try to experiment with more different settings. So for example, we can remove the gather altogether in here. Okay, we can also do, let's say, 8 now, for example, so you see how it fits better. And as you can see now, we have single columns, with no separation, with no many columns inside of them. Okay, so this is pretty much how you do it. Okay, in this case, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 columns. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.